Straighten up, you two. We're in the presence of a lady.
The following contest is a Hell in a Cell match. Making her way to the ring from Parris Island, South Carolina, Lacey Evans.
A former Marine who trained in NXT while raising her daughter, Lacey Evans, is ready to grab the spotlight.
So Lacey Evans has an incredibly impressive resume. I just don't like how she looks down on everybody.
Well, she's better than you, Saxton. What would you expect?
That is true statement.
She's beautiful, she's dangerous, and she is as classy as the day is long. Someone's about to get their head knocked clean off.
And from Osaka, Japan, Asuka!
Look, I know that supposedly no one was ready for Asuka, but it's been over a year since Asuka's undefeated streak came to an end at WrestleMania, so I think it's now more than okay to say that, yeah, some people are ready for Asuka. Sure, Corey, would you like to say that to Asuka?
Absolutely not, Saxton. Are you insane?
I think she might have just heard you, Corey.
What? No, that wasn't me. That was Byron doing a me impression.
Well, hopefully Asuka will keep that in mind for later.
This is it, ladies and gentlemen. Hell in a Cell.
Oh, well-measured strike.
Right across the face. Got to be agonizing for the arm. Oh, great display of strength with the suplex. Boom! Strong impact from Lacey Evans. Asuka turns it around. That will get your attention. Set up for the Russian leg sweep. Nicely done.
Oh, targeting the stomach.
Evans staying on the attack.
Her offense is on point right now.
Yet another counter.
It's like they're both somehow one step ahead of each other.
Ooh, what impact. Asuka seizing the moment that time.
Wow, look at the quickness by Lacey Evans. And Asuka was able to get out of the way there.
Asuka turns it around. That is a great reversal.
grip locked in. No, she escapes it.
Yeah, I don't know if she had it locked in fully, Michael.
There's the arm wringer.
Wow.
Followed by the leg drop. What's this? Michinoku driver.
Absolutely planted.
Head scissor applied.
Oh, my God. And finds a counter. Oh, that was scary power.
Check this out, guys. Double underhook coming.
Byron's gonna love this. The Dude Buster. Here we go for the win. And they kick out at 2.
She got the shoulder up. That's all that counts.
She's got that gleam in her eyes. Oh, no.
Oh, yes.
The winner's right.
If that's not it, I don't know what is.
This is Lacey's chance.
Lacey Evans with the victory. Here's how Evans captured the victory here tonight.
That's a well-earned victory if I've ever seen one. Look out, women's locker room. This girl is for real. And guys, that's exactly the type of action viewers come to expect here at Hell in a Cell.